This is the Defender by Gerber. There's a lot of tethers on the market. A lot of them are too powerful, they're not powerful enough. We spent a lot of time fine-tuning the tension of this cord so that you're not fighting it in an undue way, but it also will return whatever tool that you're using. The tip control carabiner releases tension and maximizes utility, which allows the user to essentially take the load of the tether off of the tool and put it on their finger, making the tool a lot easier to use. So the Defender tether comes in two sizes, the large and the compact. The large Defender has a 48-inch Dyneema cable. It also has the capacity for larger tools. Attaching the Defender tether to your body can be achieved through the use of this belt clip. You can wear it on your belt. You can clip it onto the top of your waders. Any one of these straps that you have when you're wearing a shoulder pack or a lumbar pack or anything like that. But the belt clip also has an integrated eyelet on top that you can put a split ring through or another carabiner through. So if you want to wear it on a neck lanyard or split ring it to something on your gear, you have the option to do that. The large Defender has a number of different lockout systems on it. The first one being the actual spool lockout, which is a rocker switch on the side. So in position 1, the tool is locked to the tether and is prevented from moving down. The only time that it actually will unlock is if your tool somehow gets snagged on a branch or a tree or a fence post. It will actually unlock at a certain point to keep from destroying the tool. You also have the option with this, we have these unique high trail cleats on the bottom of the tether. So this allows you, without touching a button, to just slide the line into that cleat and slacken it as well. The compact Defender has a 36-inch Dyneema cable. You can secure the compact Defender to your body with 3 options. The eyelet ring on the top, a belt clip, and a threaded shirt pin stud. The Defender keeps valuable tools close at hand.
I'm Matt.
I'm Andrew.
And we're Big Tiny Ideas.
Oh, we should do that together. And we're Big Tiny Ideas.
Yeah, and we're Big Tiny Ideas. And this is Luna,
the world's tiniest titanium body flashlight.
That is so bright. Okay. It's so tiny. It's so cute. This is awesome too, because like if, you know, any kind of like the lights go out, that's sweet. I like it. Very cool. I love flashlights on my keys, so something like that would be perfect.
Yeah.
I like it. It's awesome. And it's just like streamlined, it doesn't get in the way of anything. I love it. Heck yeah.
We need your help to fund Luna.
And you can help by spreading the word on social media, sharing it with your family, your friends, your coworkers, and asking everybody to pledge for a Luna flashlight.
Thank you for taking the time to learn about Luna on Time to learn about Luna on Kickstarter.
That was good, other than me just laughing.
And thank you in advance for your pledges.
Luna, the most tiniest titanium flashlight.